Most soldering stations you will find online are poorly regulated heaters that ruin delicate electronics the moment you touch them. Choose the wrong unit and you risk burning through your circuit boards and wasting hard-earned cash. Are you tired of struggling to maintain consistent temperatures on your latest electronic projects? We have done the research to find you the best performing tools on the market. Today, I am going to be going over the best soldering station that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you are interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the YIHUA 939D+. This soldering station is specifically designed for hobbyists who require consistent precision during delicate electronic repair and assembly tasks. Its compact form factor ensures that it occupies minimal workspace while remaining stable on your busy electronics workbench. The external casing is constructed from high-grade industrial plastic that feels remarkably sturdy and resistant to occasional workplace impacts. Engineers designed the unit with a footprint measuring approximately 5 by 7 inches for convenient storage on cramped desks. The front panel features a clear digital display that provides immediate feedback regarding your current tip temperature settings accurately. This robust station utilizes a powerful heating element that reaches your desired temperature in just under 30 total seconds. Integrated PID technology actively monitors the iron heat to ensure that the tip temperature remains exceptionally stable throughout usage. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during long soldering sessions on complex circuit boards. Real-world testing reveals that the thermal recovery speed is fast enough to handle large ground planes without any hesitation. The station offers a wide temperature range, which allows users to work with both leaded and lead-free solder effectively. It provides superior temperature stability when compared to the YIHUA FX888D, which often fluctuates under load. The pros include PID temperature control, fast heat recovery, and an ergonomic handle design for improved user comfort levels. The cons include a somewhat bulky iron stand and a power cable that feels slightly shorter than most competitors. At number 4, we have the YI862BD+. This station is designed for hobbyists and professionals who demand a versatile tool for complex electronics repair projects daily. It serves as an excellent entry point for those looking to upgrade their home workshop with reliable soldering equipment. The external frame is constructed from a heavy-duty metal casing that resists heat during long operation sessions perfectly. It measures roughly 10 inches in length, providing a compact footprint that fits easily on most cluttered workbenches. The control panel features intuitive knobs that offer tactile feedback when you are adjusting temperature settings for delicate components. This unit boasts a dual functionality setup including a hot air rework gun plus a high-performance soldering iron. It features precise digital temperature control, allowing users to dial in exact heat levels for sensitive integrated circuit boards. The hot air rework station reaches working temperatures in under 15 seconds to keep your assembly workflow moving quickly. During actual testing, the iron maintains a very steady tip temperature while working on dense through-hole solder connections. You will find that the airflow from the rework gun is consistent and silent even at higher fan speed settings. It performs significantly better than the basic Weller WLC 100 station regarding overall temperature stability and iron recovery. The pros include dual rework station, digital heat control, and rapid warm-up. The cons include bulky power cord and manual fan adjustment. At number 3, we have the YI853D. This impressive 3-in-1 rework station serves as an essential tool for hobbyists and professional technicians alike everywhere. The device offers a specialized setup designed specifically to handle complex circuit board repairs with incredible ease and efficiency. Its robust metal chassis provides a stable base that resists vibrations during the most delicate precision soldering work tasks. The compact layout manages to integrate a soldering iron plus hot air gun and DC power supply quite effectively. Users will appreciate the intuitive control panel layout that allows for rapid adjustments during long repair sessions every day. The integrated hot air gun delivers a consistent airflow that reaches temperatures up to 480 degrees. You can monitor the exact voltage output on the high-contrast digital display for precise power delivery during operation. The soldering iron heats up remarkably fast while maintaining stable temperature control throughout the entire duration of your project. Real-world testing shows the heat recovery speed is excellent for handling lead-free solder on dense component boards. It provides a much more versatile workstation than the simpler Weller WES 51, which lacks the integrated power supply. The pros include integrated power supply, rapid heat recovery, and intuitive controls. The cons include bulky footprint and learning curve. This station proves its value by consolidating multiple essential workshop tools into one very convenient and space-saving package. At number 2, we have the Fanttik T1 Max. This impressive tool is designed for professionals who demand extreme precision and reliable heat control during complex soldering tasks. Its ergonomic handle provides superior comfort during extended sessions, which prevents user fatigue while working on delicate circuit boards. The station features a sturdy metal housing measuring 8 by 6 by 4 inches for exceptional stability on benches. Engineers constructed the unit using high-grade heat-resistant materials to ensure longevity during continuous daily heavy-duty operation. The integrated digital display shows precise temperature readings, allowing users to monitor their thermal output with extreme accuracy. It reaches operational temperatures of 800 degrees Fahrenheit in under 5 seconds through a rapid heating ceramic element. The station includes a smart standby mode that automatically reduces power consumption when the iron is not in use. Users will appreciate how the interface offers custom temperature presets for quick switching between different types of solder alloys. Performance remains consistent across long projects because the advanced internal sensors adjust power delivery in real-time cycles. This station maintains a stable tip temperature even during intense heat sink soldering, which is vital for professional work. It performs significantly better than the standard Weller station regarding initial heat up speed and overall thermal recovery time. The pros include rapid heating, temperature precision, and robust build. The cons include expensive tips and bulky power cable. Every technician will find this device to be an essential upgrade that simplifies difficult assembly jobs with effortless efficiency. At number 1, we have the TOOLOUR 851D. This impressive soldering station is specifically designed for hobbyists and professional technicians requiring high precision for their delicate electronics repairs. The sleek aesthetic and compact footprint ensure that it fits perfectly on even the most cluttered of modern workbenches. Its robust exterior casing provides exceptional protection against daily wear and tear while maintaining a professional and refined visual appeal. The entire unit measures only 9 inches by 6 inches, allowing users to maximize their limited workspace during complex projects. You will appreciate the intuitive front control panel that allows for seamless adjustments to both temperature and airflow settings instantly. The heating element reaches an impressive maximum temperature of 932 degrees Fahrenheit in under 25 quick seconds. Advanced internal sensors constantly monitor the heat output to ensure that the tip maintains a very stable thermal environment throughout. The adjustable hot air nozzle offers a powerful airflow rate of up to 120 liters per minute. During extensive testing, the station maintained consistent performance without any noticeable fluctuations or overheating issues while handling large copper solder pads. Users will find that this model offers much better thermal recovery times than the aging YIHUA 888 station. The pros include fast heating, precise controls, and compact design. The cons include short power cable and plastic stand. This station represents a significant leap forward in soldering technology for anyone serious about improving their overall repair project efficiency today.